cannot believe it. These nails are still on. It's been like over a week. I can't believe it. They are stuck. You can see a little bit of the growth coming through. I'm not going to take them off because I want to see how long they can get before they pop off. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's crazy. Seriously, you guys need to try these press-on nails from Glamnetic. Literally insane.
Stop applying your Glamnetic press-ons like this. These press-ons last up to 2 weeks and look like a salon-quality manicure if you prep and apply them right. Push back your cuticles and buff your nails. Wipe down with the alcohol pad. Apply a thin layer of glue to your nail and a more generous layer on the press-on, making sure to concentrate the glue towards the cuticle. Apply at an angle so you don't get glue buildup around your cuticle, and repeat. If you follow these steps, I promise you they will be sturdy and look seamless and gorgeous. You're welcome.
Is this what your nail polish looks like? A streaky, clumpy, messy application with long dry times? With Glamnetic press-on nails, you'll never have to worry about any of that again. It's a mess-free application that takes just 10 minutes and leaves you with the most perfect manicure that looks like you just sat in the salon for 2 hours. So if you're tired of dealing with polish, it's time to switch to Glamnetic press-ons.